Hello students, you all are welcome to Math Maha Mantra, where number speaks, logic rolls, and the concept becomes crystal clear. किसी भी स्ट्रेट लाइन का जनरल इक्वेशन क्या है एवं स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म ऑफ ए स्ट्रेट लाइन क्या है, इस बारे में डिटेल डिस्कशन किया गया था. टुडे we will discuss about different other standard form of a straight line. वो क्या है? नंबर 1 point slope form, number 2 two point form, and number 3 intercept form. ये तीनों फॉर्म का ज्योमेट्रिकल मीनिंग क्या है और इससे संबंधित स्ट्रेट लाइन का इक्वेशन क्या है, इस बारे में डिस्कस किया जाएगा. चलते हैं. द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ टुडेज डिस्कशन इज पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म ऑफ ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, फर्स्ट वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म ऑफ ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, इसका जो जियोमेट्रिकल मीनिंग है ये क्या है? द स्ट्रेट लाइन विल पास थ्रू ए गिवन पॉइंट एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या है? It is having a slope, say m. So ये स्ट्रेट लाइन एक फिक्स्ड पॉइंट से पास कर रहा है, say that is x1 y1, and it is having a slope, say small m. Okay, these are given. Okay, what is the equation of a straight line with point slope form? That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where the fixed point given is x1 y1 and the slope of the line is small m. Okay, now we have to understand why and how ये इक्वेशन क्यों है और कैसे ये फॉर्म हुआ है, इस बारे में डिस्कशन करना जरूरी है. ओके, लेट्स गो टू डिस्कस. ड्रॉ द कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and here is your origin. Okay, suppose the straight line is this one. This is the line which is passing through a given point, say x1 y1. Say this is the point, say A. Coordinate is x1 y1. This is given, and say at any instant of time a point which is moving along this locus of the straight line is x comma y. This is the moving point. Okay, so what is the slope? First we have to know what is the slope. So you have already learned the formula of slope, which is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, if 2 points are given as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, say this is x2 y2, this is given as x1 y1. So put the values. What is y2? That is y, minus what is y1? It is y1. What is x2? That is x, minus x1. Okay, so I am getting this relationship. So if you cross multiply, you are getting y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Therefore, we say that the equation of the line with point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. I think this concept is clear. Why and how this equation? Okay, चलिए कुछ प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया जाए. So this is the first problem. Find the equation of a line passing through 3 comma minus 4 with slope minus 5. Okay. So what is given? Say the given point is x1, y1, that is equal to 3 comma minus 4, and the slope given is small m is equal to minus 5. Okay. So use this formula. The equation is y minus y1, that is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. Put the values of x1, y1 and m. Y minus, what is y1? That is minus 4. That is equal to m. What is m? That is minus 5. Into x minus x1. What is x1? That is 3. Therefore, y plus 4 is equal to minus 5x minus minus plus 15. That is 5x plus y is equal to 11. Okay. So this is the required equation. Clear? चलिए और एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया जाए. This is problem number 2. What is the problem? Find the equation of a line passing through 2 comma minus 5 and perpendicular to the line with slope minus 1 by 3. Okay. So, you know, to find out the equation, we have to know the point x1, y1 and the slope. Okay. So here x1, y1 is given, that is 2 comma minus 5. Okay. So what is the slope of the line under consideration? We have to find it. This one we have to find. So what is given? Ki the line under consideration is perpendicular to another line whose slope is minus 1 by 3. You know कि when two lines are perpendicular, जब दो लाइन एक दूसरे के साथ लंब होता है तो दोनों का स्लोप का प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है? -1. So we can say m into -1 by 3, that is equal to -1. From here, what we are getting, that is m is equal to 3. Okay. So the slope of the line under consideration is 3. Clear? Now use this formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This will be the equation of the line. Okay. Put the values. Y minus, what is y1? That is minus 5 is equal to m. What is m? That is 3 into x minus x1. What is x1? That is 2. Okay. So what we are getting? It's y plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 6. Okay. It implies 3x minus y is equal to 11. Okay. So this is the equation of the line. Clear? What is point slope form of a straight line? This is clear. And कोई भी प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व किया जाता है ये भी समझ में आया होगा. चलिए चलते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में. नाउ we'll discuss about another standard form of a straight line known as two-point form. What is the geometrical meaning of this concept? That is, the straight line passes through two given points. Okay. say x1 y1 and x2 y2. These 2 points are given through which the line under consideration will pass. We have to find out the equation of that line, which we call 2-point form. Okay. So the equation is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is the equation of 2-point form of a straight line. But the question is why and how? क्यों और कैसे? चलिए देखते हैं. Draw the Cartesian coordinate system. This is x-axis. This one is y-axis. And here is your origin. Okay. Say this is a line which is passing through 2 points. Say one point is x1, y1. So this one is A, and another point is say B, that is x2, y2. Okay. So these are 2 points through which the straight line is passing. Let at any instant of time there is a point P जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट सपोज xy है. Okay. So as I discussed in just previous topic कि what is a point slope form, so I can say the equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Just now I have learned it. So here 2 points are given, so I can easily find out m, the slope of the line. x1 and y1 is given. So now my object is to find out the slope. So you know what is the slope? m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, you already know this. So put the value here. So you can say y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay. So if you divide by y2 minus y1 this equation, then what you will get in the left hand side, that is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, and at the right hand side you will get x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is the answer of why and how. Okay. So it is very clear if why the equation of 2-point form of a straight line is this: y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. Now we should solve some problems to clarify this concept. Okay. Chaliye, there are 2 problems, question 1 and question 2, related to 2 points form of a straight line. First, let's solve problem number 1. What is problem number 1? Find the equation of a line passing through 2, minus 3 and 4, 7. What is the equation of 2-point form? That is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So the equation is solution: y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. You have just learned it. So Say this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Put the values y minus y1. y1 is minus 3 by y2. What is y2? This is 7 minus what is y1, that is minus 3, is equal to x minus what is x1, that is 2 by x2. What is x2? That is 4 minus x1. What is x1? That is 2. Okay. So what is you are getting? Y plus 3 by 10 is equal to x minus 2 by 2. Okay. So if you simplify, you are getting 2 into y plus 3, okay, is equal to 10 into x minus 2, that is 2y plus 6, that is equal to 10x minus 20. So 10x minus 2y, that is equal to 26. So if you divide by 2 both sides of this equation, you will get 5x minus y, that is equal to 13. Okay. So this is the 5x minus y, that is equal to 13. So this is the equation of the straight line. So solution of problem number 1 is clear. Now let's go to solve the second problem. What is problem number 2? Find the equation of a line passing through 2, 3 and 5, k if the slope is 4. Okay. Slope given is, what is the solution? Slope given is 4. This is given. Okay. And 2 points are given through which the line is passing. Say x1, y1 is equal to 2, 3 and x2, y2 is equal to 5, k. Okay. These are given. So, you know, if 2 points are given, then we can find out aim. So what is aim? Okay, so I can say y2 minus y1, that is k minus 3 by x2 minus x1. x2 is 5 minus x1 is 2. This is the formula of slope, and that is equal to 4. So from here you can say k minus 3, that is equal to 4 into 3, that is 12. So what is k? That is equal to 15. Okay. I think it's very clear. We have found k. Now use this formula of 2-point form. So the equation is what? Y minus what is y1? This is y1, 3 by y2 minus y1. What is y2? That is k. What is k? That is 15 minus y1. What is y1? That is 3. That is equal to x minus what is x1? x1 is 2 by x2. What is x2? That is 5 minus x1. What is x1? That is 2. So after simplifying, you are getting 5 minus 2, 3 into y minus 3, is equal to 15 minus 3, that is 12, into x minus 2. So 3y minus 9, that is equal to 12x minus 24. So 12x minus 3y, that is equal to 24 minus 9, that is 15. So if you divide both sides of this equation by 3, you'll get 4x minus y, that is equal to 5. Okay. So this is the answer of question number 2. Clear? Now we'll discuss about intercept form. And in previous session, you have already learned in detail about what is intercept. There are two types of intercepts, x-intercept and y-intercept. So here both the intercepts will be given. Okay. What does it mean? Draw the Cartesian coordinate system. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and here is your origins. Okay. So say this is any line L. It has cut x-axis and y-axis at some point, say A and B respectively. What is the geometrical meaning of this concept? Intercepts are given. Okay. Say x-intercept is equal to small a and y-intercept is equal to small b. These are given. Okay. So obviously, what will be the coordinate of the point A? It will be a comma 0. And what is the coordinate of the point B? That is 0, B. Is it clear? Because x-intercept is A and y-intercept is B. Okay. We have to find out the equation of this line. Say at any instant the coordinate of a point which is moving on the locus of the straight line is P. Say this is x comma y. Okay. So what is the equation of the line with intercept form? Let's see. The equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the equation which we call intercept form. Okay. Now why and how? क्यों और कैसे? Let's analyze. So according to 2 points form, we know what the equation is. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Say point A is x1 y1 and point B is x2 y2. Okay. So put the values. Y minus, what is y1? Y1 is 0. What is y2? That is B. What is y1? That is 0. Is equal to x minus, what is x1? That is A. By what is x2? That is 0. Minus what is x1? That is A. So after simplification, what you are getting? That is y by b is equal to x minus a by minus a, right? So from here, what we are getting? That is, if you cross multiply this, what will you get? That is bx minus ab is equal to minus of ay. So if you transfer ay in the left hand side and ab in the right hand side, what you will get? That is bx plus ay is equal to ab. Now if you divide this equation, say 1 by ab, both side, what you are getting? X by a plus y by b, that is equal to 1. So, this is the answer of why and how we have got this equation. Okay, and this is a very famous equation known as intercept form. Okay, so we can add this formula here, intercept form. The equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So today we have learned three forms of a straight line. First one is point slope form. What is the equation? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where the point x1, y1 and the slope m is given. Okay. What is the second form? That is 2-point form. What is this? In 2-point form means the straight line will pass through two given points, say x1, y1 and x2, y2. The equation will be y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. And the third form is intercept form. What is the equation? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a and b are x-intercept and y-intercept respectively. Now, we will solve some problems related to intercept form to clarify the concept. Okay, देखा जाए. Related to intercept form, there are two questions given here. First question is what? Find the equation of a line which makes intercepts minus 4 and 5 on x and y axis respectively. Okay. So intercepts has given, you know, the equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a and b are x-intercept and y-intercept respectively. What is the solution? Say x-intercept a, that is given as minus 4, and y-intercept b, that is given as 5. Okay. So use the formula. We know the equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Put a is equal to minus 4. So x by minus 4 plus y by 5, that is equal to 1. If you multiply both sides by the LCM, 4, 5 का LCM क्या है? 20. So you'll get minus 5x plus 4y, that is equal to 20. Okay. So ultimately, if you transfer here, the equation is 5x plus minus 4y plus 20 is equal to 0. So this will be your answer, okay, of question number 1. Clear? Now, what is the solution of question number 2? What is question number 2? Find the intercepts of the line 3x minus 5y is equal to 15. Okay. So, what is the solution? The equation of the line is given as 3x minus 5y is equal to 15. So, now we should convert this equation in this form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Okay. So, for that, divide both sides of this equation, say this is 1 by 15. So, what you will get? 3x by 15 plus minus 5 into y by 15, that is equal to 1. This is in this form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So, if you further simplify, you will get x by 5 plus y by minus 3, that is equal to 1. So, this is the final equation. So, if you compare this equation with the basic form of equation. So what will you get? You will get a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. So this is your answer. The x-intercept is 5 and the y-intercept is minus 3. Clear? चलते हैं और एक प्रॉब्लम में. This is problem number 3. What is the problem? Find the equation of a line whose intercepts are equal and the line passes through the point minus 3, 7. What is the solution? Here x-intercept is equal to y-intercept. Given these intercepts are equal, say both the intercepts are equal to k. Okay. And the line will pass through a fixed point that is minus 3, 7. This is the point through which the line will pass. So according to intercept form, what is the equation? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Given intercepts are equal, that means a is equal to b, and we have assumed that this is equal to k. Okay. So put the value here. What will you get? X by k plus y by k, that is equal to 1, which implies x plus y is equal to k. So this is the equation of the straight line under consideration, k, where intercepts are equal to k. Now another point is given, that is the line is passing through a given point that is minus 3, 7. So obviously this point will satisfy this equation. So if you put the values, what is x? That is minus 3 plus what is y? That is 7. That is equal to k. So what is the value of k? That is 4. So k is 4. Is it clear? Then what is the ultimate equation? X plus y is equal to k. So the final equation is x plus y is equal to 4. So this is the answer. Okay, clear? So today we have discussed about 3 different forms of a line. First one is point slope form, second one is 2 points form, and third one is intercept form. कैसे ये फॉर्म 3 फॉर्म का इक्वेशंस फाइंड आउट किया गया है, डिटेल्ड फॉर्म में डिस्कस किया गया है. आज यहाँ तक. आज का ये सेशन आपको कैसा लगा? अगर अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. इफ देयर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम, प्लीज़ राइट डाउन द प्रॉब्लम in the comment box. I'll resolve it. Thank you all for watching this video. Wait for my next video. Thank you.